Hello, good afternoon. Today is the 30th of December and I have here some new fine post from FedEx from China, from my friend. This is my business friend from China, Mr. Yang. Thank you very much for him. And what is it? This is some black box with two USB port, and here is some accessories. Is it here? User manual in English, some power cable, USB cable from USB A to USB-C, and a GPS module. So what is it? This is multimedia video box. Multimedia video box with Google Play, mirroring and wireless. And what is very important, and that you can connect this multimedia box to your car through CarPlay. Yes, really, from CarPlay. It is Android solution for CarPlay. So what it means? It is very easy made multimedia box from your original infotainment in your car with CarPlay and used Android application in this, and of course also mirroring your phone as independent if it will be iPhone or it will be Android. This will work on your infotainment in your car. So fine, I received this today, and on start of January I will make some video with connection this multimedia box to your car in Prax. So thank you very much, and more information will be soon on my video page. Thank you, bye.